So here, more interesting question. This is exercise 8.2. 8.2 question number 7. Even like this, children. A, B, C, D, P, Q are perpendiculars. A, B is perpendicular on BD, here 90 degrees, and P, Q also perpendicular on BD, and C, D also perpendicular on BD. Okay, these two is even. And even as AB is equal to X, and CD is equal to Y, and PQ is equal to Z. He is asking to prove what is prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z. But a simple question. Take the help of our similarity criterions only, which is supported. That similarity criterion you take it and find the answer. Okay, clear? I am going to prove this statement. Okay, first do one thing. I am checking, I am comparing, reviewing this line first, simple, few minutes. Okay. Okay, you see only this part. Means here one of the small triangle is there, and this is the biggest triangle. You compare these two triangles. Once you compare these two triangles, how? See it in triangle PQP. Comma, and biggest triangle BDC. In these two triangles, which parts are equal? First of all, for small triangle, for biggest triangle, B is the common angle. Not only I am writing, angle B is equal to angle B. How, sir? Because they are the common angle. Okay, no, that is a common angle. And next, in the small triangle angle PQB, and PQB is equal to angle CDB. How means they are perpendiculars. Or 90 degrees, says 90 degrees, right angles, perpendiculars on same base. Otherwise, it says better to say as 90 degrees, right angle. Okay, then that's the right angle. So these two triangles are satisfied. They are satisfied. What's the AA similarity criterion? AA similarity criterion. That's why triangle BQP is similar to triangle BDC. Okay, sir? When these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. What are the corresponding sides here? Example, small triangle length, I am taking as PQ by CD. PQ by CD. That equal to, what's that? PQ by CD is equal to, I am taking as in this triangle BQ by a total length, biggest triangle length is BD. Now substitute the values here. BQ means Z, this is Y, is equal to BQ by BD. This is you treated as first equation. Okay, Nana? Clear? This is the first equation. Right. Next, again I am going to join this line. Few minutes and remove this line. I am checking this small triangle and this biggest triangle. I am going to compare this small triangle and biggest triangle. This small triangle name is DQP. Okay. This triangle DPQ. DPQ and another biggest angle name is DBE. In these two triangles, what are the corresponding parts? How these two triangles are similar? Very simple, same to same. D is the common angle and the D is equal to angle D. Common angle. Okay? And for the small triangle here right angle is there. For biggest triangle here right angle is there. Not only that, it's angle. What's the angle? DQP is equal to angle DBT. Always the right angles. This is also given. Okay, so here they are satisfied. They are satisfied AEA similarity criteria. Okay, so their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So that small triangle base is PQ by biggest triangle side is AB is equal to, here small triangle is QD by biggest one is BD. This is treated as the second equation but 2. Okay, now very simple, add first and second. Okay, before that better to substitute the values also here. PQ length given as Z. Okay, one more step better. Instead of this is second, take as Z by X is equal to QD by BD. This is the second equation. Now add first and second. When I add first and second, your first equation is Z by Y and your second equation is Z by X, that equal to BQ by BD plus QD by BD. So here Z as the common 1 by Y plus 1 by X. Here BD is the LCM, so that we get BQ plus QD. So here Z of 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to BQ part plus QD part. Total is BD part. So BD by BD. When we cancel, we get here 1. Z shifted to the other side. So what we get, sir? 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to Z shifted to that side. We get 1 by Z. Hence proved.